Companies today pour massive resources into building sleek, beautifully designed digital storefronts. The underlying assumption is simple: build an aesthetically pleasing website, and a steady flow of customers will naturally follow. But the reality is often quite different. Despite that heavy upfront investment in aesthetics, many of these businesses experience completely stagnant growth and generate zero inbound leads. This diagram illustrates a standard search results hierarchy, and it points to the root cause of the problem. If your site is buried down here on the third or fourth page of results, you are virtually invisible to your most valuable prospects. Without that critical visibility, an expensive website loses its utility. It stops functioning as an active business asset and evolves into a passive digital business card. Bridging the gap between a stagnant digital expense and a revenue-generating engine requires a specific, intentional process: strategic optimization. That is where Amirbahador Hatami comes in. As a web design and SEO specialist, he acts as the architect who re-engineers these passive websites into high-performing customer acquisition engines. True optimization starts by diving past the polished exterior into the back-end health. This means clearing out 404 errors and fixing indexing bottlenecks that trap search engine crawlers. Once clear, schema markup acts as a translation layer, feeding structured data directly to search algorithms. Another critical tactic is content pruning. By actively removing obsolete or deadweight pages, the overall site becomes faster, more focused, and highly authoritative. By combining robust back-end health with advanced technical SEO, you push a company's most profitable keywords to the first page of Google, ensuring the site is highly favored by algorithms. But bringing high-volume traffic is only half the process. Once valuable prospects arrive, the platform must immediately capture and hold their attention. This is exactly where user-centric design takes over. Established UX and UI principles ensure that pages load instantly, and navigation remains effortless for the visitor. While a generic web template might work for a basic blog, it falls apart under the weight of complex ecosystems, like highly detailed industrial equipment catalogs or deep, multifaceted e-commerce platforms. This flowchart demonstrates how strategic UX manages that complexity. It guides a user from browsing a highly intricate, multi-node product catalog straight down into a single, straightforward, and frictionless checkout point. Handling this level of technical demand requires specialized expertise and a proven track record of translating complex industrial value into measurable digital success. While SEO serves as the engine that brings the prospect to the door, strategic user-centric design acts as the conversion mechanism that actually turns that visitor into a loyal client. The end result of this process is a fully optimized website operating as a finely tuned machine, one that works continuously around the clock. This engineered system actively captures valuable prospects, scaling a company's revenue without requiring constant manual oversight from the business owner. Because of this, technical SEO and UX design can no longer be viewed as simple IT checklist items. They are foundational business strategies. In today's fiercely competitive landscape, an optimized website is the absolute heartbeat of a successful customer acquisition strategy. Whether a business needs to revitalize a severely underperforming site or build an entirely new digital footprint from the ground up, there is a clear path forward. To turn your digital vision into a distinct competitive advantage, book a customized roadmap consultation with Amirbahador Hatami at amirbahadorhatami.ir.